The Xiaomi 12 series launched in December last year, so it won't be a surprise if the Xiaomi 13 series launches next month. So far we have had not a lot of information about the Xiaomi 13 series, but today we got our first look at the design of both the Xiaomi 13 and the Xiaomi 13 Pro. The renders of both these phones were shared by OnLeaks, and these renders show us the design from all the angles. Starting with the vanilla model first, if you compare it with the Xiaomi 12, you will see that the Xiaomi 13 looks completely different. There are two main reasons for that. First is the flat sides and the second is the new camera module design. The Xiaomi 12 did not have flat sides because that phone had a curved screen. On the other hand, the Xiaomi 13 is coming with a flat screen and flat sides. The bezels are quite thin, and as Ice Universe said, the Xiaomi 13 resembles the Galaxy S22 from the front due to those thin bezels. And speaking of the camera module, I'm pretty sure that there will be a mixed reaction on this design. The Xiaomi 12 series had a camera module with a nice symmetric design, and it was in fact one of the design highlights of that series. On the other hand, the Xiaomi 13 has quite an odd looking camera module, especially due to the placement of camera lenses. There is a square-shaped camera island that is divided into three parts, and two of these three parts have two camera lenses, whereas the third part has a camera lens and an LED flash module. Finally, these renders reveal that the display size of Xiaomi 13 is around 6.2 inch, so that is slightly smaller than the display on Xiaomi 12. Coming to the Xiaomi 13 Pro now, the main difference between it and the Xiaomi 13 is the front design. The Xiaomi 13 Pro has a curved screen and hence no flat sides. It is also bigger in size since the display size is around 6.6 to 6.7 inch. If you compare both these phones side by side, you will also see that the camera module on the Xiaomi 13 Pro is bigger than the Xiaomi 13. And that is probably due to the bigger sensor, or maybe due to a third telephoto lens which we may not see on the Xiaomi 13. And well, that is all about the design of Xiaomi 13 and 13 Pro. As for the specifications, some leaks have revealed the key specifications of the Xiaomi 13 Pro, so the specs include a 6.7-inch Quad HD+, E6 LTPO AMOLED display, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC, a 1-inch Sony IMX989 sensor, 120-watt fast charging, and Leica color signs. Anyways, what do you think of the design? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.